Welcome friends, welcome back to Cocktails After Dark. Today we are going to do an Old Fashioned, except we're going to use rum. And the name Old Fashioned comes from, at a certain point in history, people would go into a bar and say, make me a cocktail made the old fashioned way. And that has come to mean whiskey. But any dark spirit would be really nice. Today I'm using this dark rum, but you could use cognac, you could use brandy, any of those would work. So next in is some simple syrup. And I'm using Peychaud's bitters today, so. And into the mixing glass, some ice. And we give that a really good swirl. I've got a couple of nice clear ice cubes. And in we pour. Let's see if I can get these equal-ish. Well, one of us is going to be shortchanged. And these get an orange twist. So I'll get a couple pieces of orange off. And just rim the outside of the glass with some orange before we drop it in. That just gives a nice smell of orange. Hey, Jules.
Hey, Glenn. Hey, friends. Other cocktails at dark?
So, an old fashioned, a rum old fashioned instead of a whiskey old fashioned.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's see how that works.
Yeah, it's got that classic old fashioned kind of.
Yeah. I like that as much as a whiskey one or a Scotch one. I really do like that.
I'm not complaining.
The orange is really nice. And I like the bitters. So, here's the thing about bitters. Don't get stuck into only one kind of bitters. Explore different kinds of bitters.
I'm kind of amazed at how many different flavors and versions of them.
So many. For so long, there was one kind of bitters that we could get here. And now you go into a cocktail store, and there's hundreds and hundreds of them.
Well, just the fact that there are now cocktail stores.
There's now cocktail stores.
Tells you a lot, right?
Exactly.
I mean,
so I use the Peychaud's, but an orange bitters in that would be absolutely fantastic and sort of push it maybe a little bit over the top.
For the citrus lover in you.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is fantastic. Don't be afraid to use something else in your old fashioned. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.